Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros, a director with the Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Tonight, I think I mentioned it yesterday that I was going to do a chicken and basil pesto or pesto calzone because I had some cooked chicken in the freezer, so we have that, and I mixed my homemade pesto. I had made with my deluxe cooking blender some walnut pesto, and let me tell you, pesto, homemade pesto is just amazing. So what I do with the pesto is I put it in ice cube trays and then I freeze them, put them in Ziploc bags, and then I have it for later on. Easy, easy peasy. So what I'm gonna add in here is I sauteed a little bit of onion, just really, really thinly sliced. I sliced it with my simple slicer and then sauteed it. So we're just gonna kind of add this in to the mix. And these are my little prep bowls, and of course my batter bowl, because I just wanted the onions in it. I wasn't gonna put the onions in it, and then I was like, you know what? I'm gonna put some onions in it. And then I want to add to this mix a little bit of cheese, because I think cheese in the mixture kind of keeps it together when you're eating it, so that when you're eating a calzone, it's not just falling out all over the place. So the cheese kind of keeps the filling together, along with the pesto. So we're gonna take my coarse grater, and I'm just, oh, let's put this down. There you go. And we're going to just grate some cheese, and then I'll show you what I have going on in my large bar pan. I love the graters because I like getting blocks of cheese better. I'm gonna save a little bit more of this. I like getting blocks of cheese better than grated cheese because number one, it doesn't have cellulose powder in it, which is kind of like a wood pulp. It doesn't have that in it. You know what, I'm going to put the rest of this in here because I want more cheesy goodness, and I do have more cheese, so it's okay to have all of that, hey Rachel, all of that cheesy goodness in there, okay? So we're going to put that all in there, and I might have some more too. I might actually put more in there. I don't know, we'll see. So we'll put that aside, and then, hey Devon, and then we're gonna put this. This is my large bar pan. I use this constantly in my kitchen. Oh my gosh. If you were only gonna get one stone, this would be the one. And I don't know, I think I might do something a little fancy here. I don't know. We're gonna put this down the center, okay? I think I'm gonna do it as a braid. Don't hold me to it, but I might do it as a braid. Or I could just flap it over. I don't know. What do you think? Should I do it as a braid, or should I just flap it over and make like a stromboli calzone? What do you think? Anybody? Hey Linda, Devon, what do you think? Do you think I should do it as, oh, look at all that goodness in there. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my other cheese that I have open too, and I'm gonna put that on the top, okay? So I'm gonna have to rip this package open a little bit to get to it because more cheese is better, so I'm just gonna put more cheese in it. So we're gonna put some cheese on top. There we go. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut slits in it. I'm gonna do the braid, okay? So I'm going to turn this way so you can see it a little better. Let me grab my professional shears. Now I've got to count how many times I do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe? Yeah. So we're gonna do this side now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know if I did it. Do you think I did it? I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So, no. I think I got one extra. Let's just cut this one. Just in case. So now what I'm going to do is take the ends, and I'm going to just do them just like that. Kind of twist them, just like that. And that's gonna make that kind of braid look. Or I can twist it this way. That's a nice way too. So if we twist them this way, see how it just makes that? And it shows some of the filling too, which I do like when some of the filling, oh, no, I do have an extra one in here. I did it wrong. All the time, all the time. My husband will say he would fire me. You get a new wife. Ah, not really. Okay, so then at the ends, what we're gonna do is put that up, and then we have our braid. Now, I've got a little bit of egg wash here and my little brush, and I'm just going to put a little bit of glaze on here. And then what I like about these prep bowls, believe it or not, I can save this egg and use it maybe for my scrambled egg tomorrow, or if I'm gonna make some oven fried chicken, I can use it for that, okay? So, and I know some of you are gonna be like, ew. My kids would be, ew. Why would you save it, Mom? Because I'm not wasting anything. So we're gonna do that. Now I could put a little bit of coarse salt on the top, and that would be just a nice little kind of thing. But I think I'm just gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna put it in a 400-degree oven, or 425-degree oven, and it's probably gonna cook for about 40 minutes, and not 40 minutes, about half an hour or so, okay? So let me put this in, and I put it on the bottommost rack of the oven, and I'm just gonna check it to make sure that it is, you know, not overcooking. And I always put it on the bottom rack of the oven just because, you know, I had heard a long time ago that's where Pampered Chef tests their stoneware recipes, so that's why I put it on there. And that's a stoneware bar pan. I call it the all-day pan. You know, I start in the morning with pancakes, mix up the pancake batter, throw it in there, and it covers the entire thing. And then I put it in the oven at 350, and for 15 minutes, it's golden on the top, golden on the bottom, cut them into squares. Perfect pancakes. Everybody sits down at once for pancakes. Love it. Then grilled cheese sandwiches in the afternoon. Assemble your grilled cheese sandwiches. Butter the top, butter the bottom. Put them all on the bar pan. Put it in the oven at 425. And then when it's golden on the top, that golden on the bottom, no flipping. No flipping. I love that. And then at night, sheet pan meals or something like this calzone. My favorite sheet pan meal, I'll probably make it one of these nights soon. Chicken pieces, potatoes, carrots, onions, peppers. And I usually put some like sweet potatoes in there too, carrots, and Italian seasoning, garlic. Throw it in the oven at 425 for about 40 minutes. It's all done and in one pan. Love sheet pan meals, and I love one pot meals or one pan meals because I don't like to clean up after dinner, but I have to. So that's why I like one pot meals. We're gonna serve with this a salad because I have it, and that's gonna be dinner tonight. What are you guys cooking? And I'll put a picture of what it looks like in the bottom in the comments. But what are you guys cooking tonight? And please share this, like it. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Linda Medeiros. I am also on Instagram, all of that too. So, you know what? Let's have fun cooking. If we're stuck at home, we might as well be cooking something half decent. So, put down what you what you're cooking tonight. I always love that in the comments. Okay, then, bye and stay safe, everybody. And remember, sharing is caring. Bye.